Assalamu alaikum, my dear Falconians of level 5. I am your science teacher, Miss Maha Rehan, and in today's video, I am going to give you the explanation about your science home assignment which you will be collecting from school. So, there are overall 3 questions. One by one, I am going to give you the explanation about the questions. Make sure to write down the questions with blue color and the answers with pencil. The first question is define electrostatic electricity and give 2 examples. This question is related to unit number 11, electricity and magnetism, in your science book page number 92. I have already discussed the whole topic 11.2 static electricity with you. You have to write down the definition of static electricity and any 2 examples. As I have given you the explanation of all the examples, on page number 92, you can read down the topic and write down the answer by your own. Now moving on towards the second question, who was Nicolaus Copernicus and what he discovered? This question number 2 is related to the next chapter, which is unit number 12, the solar system, which we will be conducting in the next videos. But let me give you the introduction of the scientist Nicolaus Copernicus. Who was Nicolaus Copernicus? Nicolaus Copernicus was the great astronomer. Why he was called the astronomer? Because he was the first person to discover that the planets are revolving around the sun. The earth in which we are living is also the part of the planet, and as you all know that this earth is also revolving around the earth. So the first person to discover this concept was Nicolaus Copernicus. Before this, everyone thought that the earth was stationary. Stationary means rest, and the sun and the planets went around it. But when Nicolaus Copernicus discovered this phenomena that the sun is stationary at its place and all the other planets are revolving around the sun. So, in your science book page number 96, the introduction of the scientist is given. You have to read it down from here and write down the answer in your own words. Then the third and the last question is describe a step-by-step process of how electricity gets to our homes. This question is already discussed with you in the previous videos. This question is related to unit number 11, electricity and magnetism, page number 90 and 91, making of an electromagnet. There are overall 4 steps. You have to write down all the 4 steps one by one along with the diagrams also. I hope you all get my point. Make sure to complete your home assignment with good handwriting. Inshallah, I will be meeting with you after Eid. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.